So this is the three ways or three categories of handling loss. Loss is a very ubiquitous human experience. It's something that we're all going to be going through at some point in our lives. Hopefully, rather later than sooner. But when it does happen, there's three ways that I kind of see to help cope with it and to kind of come out of it from a positive experience. Now, there's the 7 stages of grief that a lot of people are familiar with. This is kind of in addition or an aside to those. Grief is about accepting the loss versus these that I think are to kind of see the loss in a different light. So the first one is dealing with regret. Regret comes in two usual main forms. One is something that you did that you wish you didn't, and there's something you wish you did do or didn't do that you wish you did do. Dealing with those is a way to tone down the energy around it and then build it into something about forgiveness. Forgiveness is a very, very powerful tool, and I'd be happy to teach that if you're interested. Reframing, changing it from a positive thought to a negative, or a negative thought to a positive thought. A lot of the times we see loss as something very, very negative, and it doesn't really have to be. We can choose to celebrate the life and what those individuals gave to us versus focusing on the fact that they're no longer with us. Changing it to focus to we had an opportunity to meet them and what they gave to the world and to us. And then the third is resources. What have you learned from that person? In every experience, in every encounter, there is a lesson to be learned. And if we take stock and meditate on those reasons, that can bring lots of hope, lots of learning, and can ultimately change our experience. So I hope these three categories help. I'd love to talk further in depth and make it more personal to your conversation, and we're all a little bit different, so having that personalized conversation really does help. So if you'd like to, reach out to me and talk further. See you guys tomorrow. Bridget says hi.